Mississippi. Here we have over 174 years of collision repair experience. I started in 1978 and have proudly served this dealership since 2012.
Hi, I'm Cam Herring. I've been working in auto body repair since 2002 and have been an automobile tech since 1997.
Hi, I'm Carmen Smith. I started in the front end industry back in 1981, and now I'm at Cannon Motors. Y'all come see me. Thank you.
I'm Jeremy Smith. I've been at this dealership since 2012. I've been in the industry since 2002. I'm car certified in structural repair, frame repair, and sectioning.
I'm Donnell Bradley. I've been doing auto repair since 2010. I graduated second of my class out of 400 students from Nashville Auto Diesel College. I averaged a 4.0 average, and I've been serving Cleveland since May of 2007.
Hi, I'm Edward Rumley. I've been doing auto body and frame repair since 1995. I have several certifications through GM, through structural repair and convertible tops.
Hey, I'm Bill Ray, shop foreman at Cannon Motors in Cleveland, Mississippi. I've been in this industry since 1982, where I helped my father in the wrecker and body shop business. I've been in this location for 24 years. I've been certified through General Motors for structural repair, frame repair, airbags, and I'm also I-CAR approved in steel welding and aluminum welding.
Here at Cannon GM in Cleveland, Mississippi, we can repair any make or model of car, truck, or SUV. No job is too big or too small. Please come by and see us or just give us a call.